Hey everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing a video that I have been wanting to do as one of my first few videos ever since I had this idea, and that is how to make GIFs. So I have really enjoyed learning how to make GIFs over the last few months, and I wanted to share with you guys all how I do it, and my dog is going to be my lovely assistant. So for the most part, you won't be looking at my face, you'll be looking at either my screen or this other video I captured. But we're gonna go ahead and head outside because first things first, we need to take the photos. So let me show you how. Okay, so I'm here with my lovely assistant, Leo. And he's gonna model for our example today.
There's a couple things you wanna keep in mind when it comes to settings on your camera. Make sure your camera's in photo mode, and then you're gonna set it to high speed continuous shooting. So you press the Q or whatever way you wanna do it and make sure it's high speed continuous. Then you're gonna go ahead and get all your other camera settings right. I'm setting my ISO down to 400. I'm doing f4, which is as low as this lens goes. And then I am choosing a shutter speed that is as high as I can get it without being too dark. Then I'm gonna hold my camera still if it's not on a tripod, and shutter away when I have my subject and my frame ready. There you go.
Stay. Okay. Up, up. Good boy. Good boy. You did good. Thanks, everybody. Thanks, Leo. Good boy. High five. Leo, high five. Good boy. We're back from shooting, and now we're going to want to edit. So first things first, you're going to take your new photos, and I organize everything by date, Leo GIF, okay? And you're gonna take what you just edited or the photos you just took. Just take them all. I took a few different options when we were outside so that I could be able to play around with it. So first thing you're gonna do is let that all import. Wow, you get to 2.6 gigabytes so fast. Okay, so that's all copying, and then you're gonna wanna go ahead and go to Lightroom. And in Lightroom is where you're gonna make all of your normal photo editing adjustments. So any presets you have, exposure, contrast, all of that, you make the photo look good in Lightroom, and the GIF part happens later. So once everything has imported, you're going to, step one, pick what series of photos you'd like to turn into a GIF. Step two, edit the first photo in that series exactly how you like it. Step three, sync those settings so it's exactly the same across all of them. Exactly the same. And then you're gonna export them all to a folder within your exports folder on your desktop, wherever, with all the JPEGs full size, waiting for the next step, which is Photoshop. The key when you're shooting, I used a tripod for this particular shoot with my dog Leo because I only have so many hands and I can't hold his leash, do his trick, and do the camera at the same time. But if you're going handheld, the trick is to just hold as still as possible. Try not to move around too much because the frame gets all messed up when you try to make a GIF. GIF. I don't know which one, whatever. The point is, keep still, tripod or not, hold still. We exported our photos from Lightroom, and now they're all ready to go. We're gonna open Photoshop. I'm exporting YouTube videos, don't mind me. Here I am, it's gonna open, and we're gonna do File, Scripts, Load Files into Stack. Browse, you're gonna select all the photos that you just did. Now you're going to select Sort by Name. If you shot on a tripod, you don't have to automatically align because it should be all perfectly aligned. But if you didn't, you wanna hit Attempt to automatically align. You're gonna hit OK. Give it a second, it's gonna bring everything into the program. Layer it up. Boop, 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 boop. Syncing. Okay. Once this spinning wheel goes away, it means it's time to party. Okay, so now you're gonna create frame animation from the first one. Then you're gonna select all the rest, shift click, make frames from layers. Okay. Now that they're all in here, so that remember it's here, this little 3-bar. Make frames from layers. Okay, now they're all in here. Perfect. And for some reason, it reverses everything when you put it in here. So you're gonna wanna click
shift click everything, go to this menu again and do reverse frames. Okay, now you want to select everything and change the amount of time. So you're gonna go to other, and I like 0.14 because I'm weird. And now you're going to hit change forever to once, because you're gonna render it as a video more than likely if you're putting it onto Instagram. And you're gonna hit play. And there he goes, what a cutie. Okay, so what I like to do is have it bounce back and forth, kind of like a boomerang. So you can select it all, duplicate, and then you select the ones that you just made, and you do reverse frames. So now he's gonna go back and forth. Because why not? Okay, and you can also double that whole thing so it replays. And you can export this. Now we're all done, we're ready. We're gonna go File, Export. If you wanna export it as a GIF, you would do Save for Web, Legacy, but honestly, it's unlikely that you actually wanna save it as a GIF for the web. It's more likely you wanna render it as a video for your Instagram, for example. So you're gonna go Render Video, and then make sure the dimensions in there are correct, because I have a vertical from last time. So we're gonna go 1680 by 1120. And we're gonna name it Leo.mp4. Render, give it a second. The suspense. And there he is. There's the video, and then you just post it right on your Instagram. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. That was how to make a GIF or GIF, unsure. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, comment below, and please remember to subscribe, turn on your notifications, whatever, hang out. It'll be cool. This is the part where I feel awkward, so bye.